Hello. I'm back again with another shop with me video today. I'm at Burlington. At the back section, they have lots of bags in the store. Let's quickly dive in. Here I'm looking at the structured bag, black bag by DKNY. This was $158, and today you get for $49.99. We have this bag. This will be perfect for traveling. Who made this bag? Let's see. This is by Anna Klein. And this was $108. Today you get for $39.99. It's not bad. It's good. I love this bag. I really want to get this bag in color brown. Maybe something like this. We do. I've seen the one that have this. I want these stripes. I want it, in brown. I think I've seen something like that. Yeah, it's a very good bag. Big enough. Very good. Let me see if I can grab store price. Okay, store price for this is $59.99. And this was $228. And here, more bags here. This is by Nawest for $209.99. Here is this one. This was $79. Today you get for $19.99. Up here is more traveling bags. Here is backpack. Let's see. This is by Tommy. This was $118. Today you get for $32.99. Okay. More bag. This one is $22.99. And this is very good structured. I like the size actually. This is by my waist for $22.99. Let's keep going. More black bags. Up here we have this one by Tommy. Okay. Store price for this is $32.99. This was $108. Is a good price. And here is this leather bag. This feels so good. Okay, and here this one is just $19.99. You don't mean it. Look, the leather looks so good for that price. Okay, here we have this one by DKNY. Yeah, top handle crossbody with coins purse. On this one, store price for this is $39.99. And today, yeah, actually that's today's price. This was $158. Good deal. More bags. Okay, this one is by GC Culture. Okay, this is $19.99. And here is this bag by Tommy. Let me see. I like the structure. Yeah. And I love. See. $29.99. It was $118. Good. More black handbags. Okay, let me see. This got my attention because I love the structure. This is by Tommy. Okay, how much is this? Store price for this is $32, and this was $128. It's very good. This side we have this burgundy tote bag for $22.99. Okay, this is the bag we saw before. This is in color black. I will send this one. And I'm seeing something like this. Look at this smooth leather, DKNY. And this is $49.99. Okay, more bags. Look what we got here. This one is on sale. The leather feels so good. It's on sale for $22.09 by Anna Klein. Let's see the front. Look. The structure is so good. I love it. Alright, here we have this backpack by Steve Madden for $32.99. More bags. Nine West. We've seen this before. Yeah, but this is a different color and this is smooth leather. This is on sale for $17.99. Yeah, silver hardware. Okay. More bags. If you see what you love and I'm not touching it or I did not touch it, go to any Burlington near you. Trust me, you will get something good for yourself. This is $22.99. Rexton. Look. Good shoulder bag. This is really nice. The color is beautiful. Okay. More tote bag. I love this size. Interesting canvas bag for $39.99. Here you go. So nice. So nice. The structure is given, the color so beautiful. Okay, this was $128. Today you get for $39.99. I'll take you to clothing section. If you're interested, keep watching. Look, we've seen these before. Right, this is in a different color. This color is so beautiful. And this one is $19.99. I got a message to show gifts in the store. When next I'm in the store, I will try and do that. Who knows, in my next Burlington video, I'll show you the gifts they have available in the store now. Okay, let's start from here. Let's start from this hoodie. This is in size small. Actually, yeah, in size small. It feels good. And this one is $14.99. Here you go. Alright, this is by Guess. And this one is $39.99. We have another hoodie. Interesting jackets. Okay, this one is $69.99 by DKNY. I love the color. And this was $200 for $69.99. You can never go wrong. Okay. Here we have this one. This is well made. And I'm loving the color combination here. This is it was 119 in size large. Today you get it for $39.99. Okay. Yeah, it's available in size large. Here, look at this sweater. Sunday. It feels really good for $13.99. Got this trending piece. What do you think? I love this. It looks good. Look at that. It's really good trending piece. And the price on this one is $24.99. Alright, I'll end this video here. So like my type of video, share. And until next time, bye for now.